Hey everyone, welcome back to 10 sentences a day. Your daily English practice in just a few minutes.
Can you hand me the cutting board?
Can you hand me the cutting board?
能把砧板递给我吗？
Sure, it's right next to the sink.
Sure, it's right next to the sink.
当然，就在水槽旁边。
How often do you clean the kitchen?
How often do you clean the kitchen?
你多久清理一次厨房？
Usually once a day to keep things tidy.
Usually once a day to keep things tidy.
一般一天一次，保持整洁。
Where do you keep the cleaning supplies?
Where do you keep the cleaning supplies?
清洁用品放在哪？
They're in the cabinet under the sink.
They're in the cabinet under the sink.
在水槽下面的柜子里。
Did you take out the trash yet?
Did you take out the trash yet?
垃圾倒了吗？
Not yet, I'll do it in a minute.
Not yet, I'll do it in a minute.
还没有，我等一下就去。
How do you remove stains from the counter?
How do you remove stains from the counter?
台面的污渍怎么去？
Just use warm water and baking soda.
Just use warm water and baking soda.
用温水加小苏打就可以。
Are we running low on groceries?
Are we running low on groceries?
我们的食材快用光了吗？
Yeah, we should restock some basics.
Yeah, we should restock some basics.
是的，一些基本的需要补货了。
What time does the store close?
What time does the store close?
商店几点关门？
Most stores close around 10 p.m.
Most stores close around 10 p.m.
大部分商店晚上10点关。
Do you need help with the laundry?
Do you need help with the laundry?
你需要我帮忙洗衣服吗？
Yes, please sort the dark clothes for me.
Yes, please sort the dark clothes for me.
要的，请帮我把深色的分出来。
How often do you mop the floor?
How often do you mop the floor?
你多久拖一次的？
Usually twice a week.
Usually twice a week.
通常1周2次。
Where should I put these dishes?
Where should I put these dishes?
这些盘子放哪里？
Just stack them on the drying rack.
Just stack them on the drying rack.
放在沥水架上就可以。
Great job! You just learned 10 real American sentences. Practice them today and sound like a native. Don't forget to subscribe and come back tomorrow for 10 more.